Is your 2015 GMC Yukon key fob not working? Don't worry, you can likely fix it yourself. The most common culprits are a dead battery, a need to relearn the fob to your vehicle, or antenna issues. First, replace the CR2032 battery. These batteries are inexpensive and the most common issue. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, your key fob may need to be relearned or resynchronized with your Yukon. Also consider problems may be because of a corroded antenna. Replacing the battery in your 2015 GMC Yukon key fob is straightforward. First, carefully open the fob casing using a small screwdriver. Then, swap out the old battery with a new CR2032 lithium battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. To reprogram the key fob after battery replacement, perform the relearn procedure. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to on without starting the engine. Within 30 seconds, cycle the driver's door lock and unlock switch 15 times. Finally, press any button on the key fob to sync it with the vehicle. Check the vehicle's antennas located in the rear window, mirrors, or liftgate. Inspect for visible damage or corrosion. Use a multimeter to test continuity. Healthy antennas should show resistance under 10 ohms. If problems continue, use an aftermarket OBD2 scanner to check for body control module error codes like B1370. If DIY fixes don't work, consult a professional for reprogramming to avoid voiding warranties.